Good morning from the Amity Lodge in Queenstown. Amity. So should we be playing the Jaws music?
I'm pleased and happy to repeat the news that we have in fact caught and killed a large predator. Amity, as you know, means friendship.
Well, in an epic fail last night, we tried to get Fergburger last night at 10:30 and it was still packed out. Fergburger. But we phoned in our booking, so we're about to head down there and get it. Now, in case you don't know, Fergburger is like an internationally recognised, famous burger restaurant. I wouldn't say the burgers are like that great, but it's probably like the best burger place in Queenstown. Seeing if our order is ready for our Fergburger. Well, we got the Fergburger with no wait. We phoned ahead. And got our Fergburger. All those other suckers behind us, they're waiting for food. But we did the smart thing, we phoned. And we didn't wait. Good afternoon, Mighty J doing a November Fox style food review. In today's food review, the almighty Fergburger. We have one Fergburger, we have another Fergburger. I'm not sure which one is which.
A size here. There's a morning should be.
That's Morning Glory, that's cooked right now. This one, that means this one is the Fergburger. The actual, real, authentic Fergburger. Look at that. Is that one hell of a big burger or what? Yeah, that's a big burger. So I thought I had the Morning Glory, which is basically bacon and egg burger. It's the smallest, cheapest burger. This one is called the Fergburger. So they have a variety of different burgers, and this one is called the Fergburger. I believe the term Ferg comes from a person because there's a Ferg bakery next door. So I guess this is a Fergburger. It's a standard beef burger, you know, lettuce, tomato, cheese, and beef patty. But it's just so freaking huge. There's the onion ring. There are the opportunists. The opportunists never miss a chance. Oh, I'm getting pretty full. It's a big burger. Oh, I finished my Fergburger. Just barely. Coco's still halfway through hers. You're not going to finish it, are you?
I try my best. 1/3 left.
Okay, so in case it wasn't obvious already, how to get the Fergburger without waiting. So Fergburger is located on 42 Shotover Street, Queenstown. The phone number is 03 4411 1232, fergburger.com. They have a 20-minute wait from the time you order to the time you pick up. So you can't say that, oh, I want to pick it up at 2 o'clock in the afternoon and then show up at 2 o'clock. They don't do that. They will do a 20-minute wait from the time you order. So you order, and you wait 20 minutes, then it's ready. That's the way they do it. So it worked out perfect for us. We just ordered, you know, from up in our hotel there at Amity Lodge, walked down here, and it's ready. We didn't wait at all, really. We waited like 30 seconds. That's how you get a Fergburger without waiting. We're in Glenorchy now. It's a couple of hours later. It's been ages on the toilet, right? You know why?
Why?
Because of Fergburger.
Oh, Fergburger, good.
That's why. That dog there, that's Carla. Carla lives here at the hotel. She rolls the ball down to you, and then you throw it back to her. Here you go, Carla. Oh, she caught it before I could get it up there. Give me the ball. Ball, Carla. Give me the ball. Ball. Come on, Carla. Give me the ball.